In this video, we are presenting Authnet, a deep learning-based authentication mechanism using temporal facial feature movements. Biometric systems based on machine learning and deep learning are being extensively used as authentication mechanisms in resource-constrained environments like smartphones and other small computing devices. These AI-powered facial recognition mechanisms have gained enormous popularity in recent years due to their transparent, contactless, and non-invasive nature. We designed an alternative authentication mechanism that we believe is more robust and safe. The system uses both facial recognition and the unique movements of that particular face while uttering a password, that is, the temporal facial feature movements. This design allows us a few advantages. One, the user is not inhibited by language barriers. The model only takes into account facial patterns and hence does not need to know the underlying language that is being used. Secondly, it is an open password system because an attacker knowing the password cannot breach the system without the user's face patterns. And thirdly, the password need not be a meaningful word as long as it can be pronounced easily. Our approach is to combine two very powerful deep neural networks which have been shown to produce state of the art results. The VGG phase convolutional neural network and long short term memory, or LSTM in short. We use a pre trained VGG face model that can capture the important facial features of a person and condense them to a 2622 long feature vector. LSTMs have shown to exhibit outstanding results on time series data, and hence we applied it to capture the change in facial features. The model predicts if the authorized user is speaking the right password. If the user password combination match, then only the model classifies it as correct. The user's video of uttering a password is spliced into a fixed number of images and pre-processed. These are fed into the VGG face model and a set of feature vectors are extracted. Then these feature vectors are fed in the form of a time series data to our LSTM network, which then results in a binary prediction. The system denies the attack from a different person around 98% of the time, while it correctly identifies a wrong person being spoken 94% of the time. This indicates the model's ability to act as an excellent defense mechanism against attacks by malicious entities. We also benchmarked our model against a face recognition plus lip reading hybrid pipeline, as there are no standard benchmarks in lip password authentication mechanisms. Authnet, a temporal facial movement based authentication mechanism using two level CNN RNN deep neural models, was presented. It is inherently language and domain agnostic and is a more robust mechanism for authentication that can be used by smart devices. This is an effective improvement of face recognition systems since it also is a contactless biometric system which is becoming increasingly important. Thank you.